What is React? What is the role of React in software development? For example, you are a user and you open an e-commerce website on your laptop. When you open the website, first the request will hit the UI server. This UI server is also called the client or front-end server. This front-end server will have all the static HTML content itself. But for dynamic content like the list of orders, this UI server will send the request to some API server. This API server is also called sometimes middleware, and it is responsible for processing the business logic and getting and posting the data from the database. And this API server will then get, insert or update the data inside the database server. Both these API servers and database servers together are also sometimes called backend. In the event of a GET, the database will respond with some data to the API, and then the API send the data back to the client, which will then display the data to the user or to you. This is the basic flow. Now for database, we use SQL as a language for running the script and SQL Server or Oracle as the DBMS. There are other DBMS as well, but these are the popular ones. Similarly, for the backend or for API, we use C#, Java or PHP languages, and the frameworks are .NET, Spring or Laravel. Why we need frameworks? Because frameworks simplify the complex server-side programming operations for big applications. Similarly, for front end, we need only CSS, HTML and JavaScript as languages. But to simplify the complex UI, we use React, which is a JavaScript library, or we can use Angular also, which is a complete UI framework. Great, now you know React is used to simplify the creation of complex UI applications, right? Finally, 3 points to remember about React. React is what? React is an open source JavaScript library. React is used for what? React is used for building user interfaces. And why do we need React? Although we already have HTML, CSS and JavaScript, this is the most important point. React simplifies the creation of single page application by using the reusable components. Alright, now in upcoming questions, we will explore more and more about especially this third point. Okay. What are the key features of React? Here are the 7 key features of React. Virtual DOM, component-based architecture, reusability and composition, JSX, which stands for JavaScript XML, then declarative syntax, and then community and ecosystem, and React hooks. Because of all these features only, React is an excellent choice for building front-end applications, okay? All the advantages of React are coming from these features only. In the upcoming questions, we will explore multiple questions from each of these features only. But here I am providing just a one-line description and the use of all these features. This can help you in quick revisions from the book later. Yes, but for sure I am going to explain all of them, how to implement them and how we can get the benefit from